Okay, welcome back. Now I will make you understand this override SRC. Okay, so if you can come over here and try to understand. If you don't understand, no worries. I will make you understand if you go along with my video. So override SRC is basically used when providing the SRC image. It components both SRC set and SRC. I'm showing you from scratch. Let's say we are used to initially before Next.js or still with the React, we are used to use the image like that. Okay, so let's go to our site and see. This is the image how we are getting. We are getting bare minimum image, nothing else. No additional attributes over here. No lazy load, no SRC set, no source, only source, nothing. No quality, image quality, nothing. But instead of that, if we use image, the Next.js image attributes, okay, something wrong. Okay, I'm making it correct. So I am using Next.js image attributes, and what I am providing SRC, alter tag, width, and height. Let's see now what we are getting. We are getting, say, additionally lot of things. We are getting loading lazy, width, height, decoding. Okay, later we will talk about decoding and data naming style. You see, let's SRC set. So they are automatically providing SRC set and SRC. Both things are provided. But why SRC set they are providing? So first of all, we need to know the importance of SRC set. SRC set is important for SEO because it allows browser to load the optimal image size based on the device characteristics. Larger images have larger file size. There is no point in loading, for example, a large image pixel wide MB size on the simple mobile phone. So SRC set is saving bandwidth and reducing the page load speed. Load speed is a direct ranking factor for mobile searches, desktop searches, and even ads on Google. So SRC set has tremendous value. Now we got the point that it has several values. And Next.js is automatically providing you provide nothing. This is your code, you just provide the SRC, but Next.js by his own accord providing you SRC set. So it has several SEO benefits, right, as we have discussed. But on thing they are also providing that you see they are providing SRC URL by their own wishes, not by their wishes. They are providing you the URL by their way, not your way. So sometimes it may need that you need to provide the URL by your own way to satisfy the search engine. So now if we provide the next image tag, then how we are getting, you see now we are getting where is the image, exact image path, image Shakil PNG. Can you see the difference? When I used override SRC, I am getting the exact image path, but previously I have not got the exact image path. I have shown you when I have not provided over SRC here. I am getting SRC like that way, but when I provided override SRC, I am getting image the exact path. Can you see the difference? Here is override SRC, but there is no override SRC. But when I don't provide override SRC, it does not give me the source according to their wishes, not my wish. Okay, but it may happen that I need the exact email path. This is the exact email path. So that time you can provide override SRC. Okay, that will give you the exact email path. But why it is needed? So why override SRC needed? SEO consideration. If you are upgrading a website and want to ensure that search engine recognize the original image URL, this is the main point. This is not the original image URL. You see, this is not the original image URL. When I am not providing the override SRC, they are by their own accord intentionally providing their URL, not mine URL. But when I am providing override SRC, they are providing the exact URL, the original image URL. You see, this is the original image URL, and I have shown you practically. This is the original image URL. Okay. So maintain the while utilizing the features of the Next.js image components. Consistent image URL. If your existing images have certain URLs that you want to retain for consistency, if you want to retain some consistency, exact URL, then you should use override SRC. So I think you got my point why we should use override SRC for SEO purpose. Okay. Summary. In essence, excuse me, override SRC gives you the flexibility to keep using a specific image URL in your HTML for SEO consistency while still allowing Next.js to manage the responsive features. But still, if you use override SRC or not, the Next.js will optimize your use. It will give you responsive, but no consideration or compromises with the SEO or uh, responsive performance. It will not hinder any performance, but you can use override SRC to get the exact path for SEO consistency. Okay, so you can see the difference here. I have not used the override SRC, so that's why I am getting the bit messy URL. But when I use override SRC, I am getting the exact URL. So for SEO consistency, I hope that will make sense. In the next tutorial, we'll discuss another thing. So this is the Next.js come very handy for optimizing emails, and it will give you SEO boost. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon. A little bit announcement. You can get a tremendous and superb course. This is my course. MERN stack, Typescript, Ecommerce, Docker, RTKquery, and along with deploy. It's a nice and huge course. So its price is $44, but I can give you for my students, I can give it only $9. Okay, so it will last for 5 days, but you will get $9. If the course is needed, you can contact with me, just $9.99. Okay, so it's a super course, tremendous course. So you will able to learn a lot of things. You will get TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and deployment. So it is built on React 9.18, Node.js 20, and role-based automatic redirect. So I will give the discount link and coupon code and course link in the description box. You can come and check, and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much.